Problem number 42. Let's see if this is one of those nice ones or a more difficult one. Which point lies on the circle represented by the equation x minus 1 squared plus y minus 3 squared? So we know it has center at 1, 3, and its radius says 7 squared, which is 49, so obviously the radius is 7. So 7 squared. So we have a radius of 7. The way I like to sometimes think this out, and we're going to see if this works, is it's a 1, height of 3. That's where we are. There's the dead center. Now points that are on it, since the radius is 7, we know there's another point 7 out this way. 7 to the right. There's another one over here 7 to the left. There's another one 7 down, and another one 7 up. Now that's if they ask us to list a point, we can always do that. Sometimes they do that on those technology enhanced questions. Let's see if it is. Let's see what we have. I mean, this is good thinking anyway, but then we might have to make things a little bit more difficult. First of all, if the center's at 1, 3, we want somebody that's on it. We know 1, 3. Choice C is definitely not there. Well, let's see what we have. Right here at 1, 3. I go to the right 7. Boom. So the x value goes over 7 more. That's at 8, 3. If I go left 7, well, 1 left 7 is going to put me at negative 6, 3. If I go down 7, that's the height. The height was at 3, down 7. It's still at the x value of 1, but it's now at negative 4. And then right here, if I'm at 1, because the x doesn't change, I go up 7. You were at a height of 3, you go up 7, you're at a height of 10. So we want to see if any of these are in there. Negative 1, 4. No, close. They tried to trick us. That's not in there. 0, 7. No, that's not in there. 8, 3. Yeah. That's the one we wanted right there, 8, 3. Now the other way we could do this, if none of these options were here, what we would have to do is realize that this guy may be going out that way 7 and hitting a point right there. But we know from the center to the point, whatever they listed, that has to have a distance of 7. So we can actually do the distance formula from this point right here, 1, 3, to each of the points they gave us and see if the distance comes out 7 away from our center. That would help us if we use the distance formula. And if you did 8, 3, let's do it. You have time, you're not doing anything, you don't need to watch any TV tonight. Notice I know these differ because if I do the change in the x's squared plus the change in the y squared, I can actually see it, but change of the x is 8 to 1 is 7 squared. Change 3 to 3 is 0 squared. So you can see you get 7 as the distance between these 2 points. Square root of 49 is 7. So the distance between them, yes, the distance is going to be 7. Choice D for 42.